Rygin King, born Matthew Smith on August 22, 1994, in St. James Parish, Jamaica, has emerged as a significant figure in the dancehall music scene. Growing up in Montego Bay, he faced numerous challenges, but found solace and inspiration in music, particularly dancehall, which became his passion and refuge. His early education took place at Flankers Primary and Junior High, followed by Irwin High School. Despite facing hardships that prevented him from completing his formal education, Rygin King's determination to succeed in music remained unwavering. At a young age, he began writing his own lyrics and performing, showcasing a natural talent that would later define his career. In 2013, at the age of 18, Rygin King participated in the Magnum Kings and Queens of Dancehall talent competition under the stage name Ja B. Although he was eliminated, this experience fueled his ambition to pursue a career in music. His early releases, including Featherweight in 2016, garnered attention and set the tone for his burgeoning career. The song's success, with over 1.4 million views on YouTube, marked a significant milestone and established him as a rising star in the dancehall scene. The following year, he released hits like Pretty Little Freak, Feel Like This, and Learn, each amassing millions of views and solidifying his reputation as a formidable force in dancehall. His music resonated with fans for its gritty realism, chronicling the struggles and triumphs of everyday life in Jamaica's urban communities. Themes of resilience, perseverance, and the pursuit of success against all odds became hallmarks of his lyrical content. In 2018, Rygin King's single Tuff became a massive hit, dominating airwaves and dance floors across the Caribbean and beyond. His performance at Reggae Sumfest that year was hailed as one of the best in the festival's history, further cementing his status as a dynamic live performer. His electrifying stage presence and charisma captivated audiences, earning him a devoted fan base and critical acclaim. Rygin King's music is characterized by its unique blend of traditional dancehall rhythms and contemporary trap influences. This fusion, often referred to as trap dancehall, has set him apart from his peers and contributed to the evolution of the genre. His ability to seamlessly integrate different musical styles has broadened his appeal and showcased his versatility as an artist. On June 28, 2020, Rygin King's life took a dramatic turn when he was shot multiple times in Westmoreland, Jamaica. The attack also claimed the life of his manager's wife, Sasha Lee Blackwood. The incident occurred while he was traveling with his entourage to a function in a neighboring parish. After one of their vehicles was involved in an accident, they stopped to assess the damage. During this time, a gunman approached and opened fire, resulting in the tragic events. Rygin King sustained injuries to his back, chest, and foot, leading to paralysis from the waist down. He underwent multiple surgeries and began an intensive rehabilitation process, including physiotherapy sessions aimed at regaining mobility. Despite the challenges, he remained determined to recover. In January 2023, he shared a video on Instagram showing his progress in learning to walk again with the aid of mobility devices, expressing his unwavering belief in recovery. The experience profoundly influenced his music, leading to the release of his debut album, Therapy, on September 9, 2022. The album delves into his personal journey, addressing themes of pain, resilience, and hope. Therapy features 16 tracks, including the popular title track as well as Circumstances, Maddest Life, and Broken. The songs chronicle his life experiences and the trauma he endured. The album debuted at number 11 on the Billboard Reggae Albums chart, selling 750 equivalent album units in the United States during its first week. This included 230 album sales and approximately 800,000 on-demand official streams. The single Therapy resonated with listeners, amassing over 3.8 million views on YouTube and becoming the top song in the Cayman Islands according to Hot 104.1 FM. Beyond his music, Rygin King has become an advocate for individuals with disabilities in Jamaica. Recognizing the challenges faced by the disabled community, he announced plans to establish a charity aimed at providing resources such as wheelchairs and financial assistance to those in need. He emphasized the importance of collective support, acknowledging that while he cannot help everyone alone, he hopes to inspire others to contribute to the cause. In April 2024, Rygin King launched the Rygin King Foundation, a nonprofit organization dedicated to raising funds for purchasing wheelchairs, walkers, and various other mobility aids. Through this initiative, he aims to support disabled Jamaicans who face challenges with mobility, enabling them to engage in activities like walking with greater ease. His personal experience with disability has provided him with first-hand insight into the neglect disabled Jamaicans often endure. Rygin King's journey from a rising dancehall star to a symbol of resilience and advocacy underscores his multifaceted impact on Jamaican culture. His story is one of perseverance, transformation, and a commitment to using his platform to effect positive change. His music continues to inspire, with tracks like Seven Fall Many Rise, Draco, and Complicated resonating with fans worldwide. These songs reflect his experiences and the strength he has found in adversity. Despite the physical limitations imposed by his injuries, Rygin King remains active in the music industry, producing and releasing new content through his label, Rygin Trap Records. His dedication to his craft is evident in the quality and depth of his work. His commitment to his family and fans drives him to continue creating music that speaks to the human experience, particularly the struggles and triumphs that define it. His authenticity and vulnerability have endeared him to a broad audience. Rygin King's influence extends beyond music. His advocacy for the disabled community in Jamaica highlights his dedication to social issues and his desire to make a tangible difference in people's lives. His plans to establish a charity demonstrate his proactive approach to addressing the needs of marginalized groups, using his platform to mobilize support and resources. Through his music and activism, Rygin King exemplifies the power of resilience and the impact of using personal experiences to drive positive change in society. His journey serves as an inspiration to many, illustrating that adversity can be transformed into a catalyst for growth, creativity, and community engagement. As he continues to navigate the challenges of his recovery, Rygin King's unwavering spirit and commitment to his art and advocacy remain a testament to his character and influence. His story is a powerful reminder of the human capacity to overcome obstacles and to find purpose and meaning in the face of hardship. Rygin King's contributions to dancehall music and his efforts to support the disabled community in Jamaica have solidified his legacy as an artist and humanitarian. His ongoing work promises to inspire future generations of musicians and activists, demonstrating the profound impact one individual can have through perseverance and compassion. In summary, Rygin King's life and career embody the essence of resilience, creativity, and social responsibility, making him a significant figure in both the music industry and his community.